today we are looking at this beauty. This is my brand new shotgun mic for my Canon 200D, and it's one of a beautiful, like, video mic from Rode cameras. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. Okay, so some of you may have known that for my birthday and for Christmas, I got a Canon 200D. I was really excited about that, and I did an unboxing here, and there's links in the descriptions down below. But one of the best things you should ever do to your DSLR camera is take the burden of audio off of it. So, rather nicely, my family helped me do this for Christmas and got me this wonderful beauty, a Rode VideoMic GO. Now this beauty is one of the top of the line brands. You probably recognise Rode if you're a YouTuber in any way, shape or form. Now you don't have to go out your way to spend 30, 40, 50 quid to get a shotgun mic. I'm currently using a Boya BY-MM1, which has the same effect, and that's the audio you're currently hearing. But today, we unbox this beauty, and then I swap it out so you get to hear the difference between the Boya BY-MM1 and the Rode Video Go. So to get started, it's a rather nice sleek box and design. You can see the ring light and the reflection, and you know, it shows exactly what it's supposed to be. It's for a DSLR camera, you know? And that's rather nicely on the front. It has a Canon in itself, so I've kind of reassured that it'll help work with mine. It's a compact, lightweight design, delivers everything that you expect from a Rode mic, and so let's dig into it, shall we? Ooh. Nice box. Nice two-toned plastic. So you've got your see-through, then you got your white, and the clear bit. Hello! Comes packed quite well, so it's kind of blister packy, right? You've got your main microphone there, you've got your cable that plugs into the camera, you've got your help guide, there you go, and it comes with the stand that you expect with any other camera. So there you go. And what you do is you mount that on the top, you plug in the jack, and away you go. So let's give it a try, shall we? Okay, so this right now that you're listening to is now the Rode VideoMic GO. You can tell the difference between the Boya BY-MM1, but the MM1's quite good. I mean, if you're going for a budget level, it's not a problem, but if you're really stepping up the game and you're willing to invest that little bit of money for that little bit of extra quality, then you've got the Rode mic, the Rode name. There's a 2-year guarantee with all of their microphones. You just register and, you know, you get your kind of like insurance-y thingy. It's kind of the view that everyone kind of is used to, the Rode mic on the thing, right? Now, if you want to go check out what the Boya BY-MM1 is, then I've done an unboxing and an audio test against the standard Canon camera audio here, or I'm sure you've watched the video here where I compare my webcam, a lapel mic, and the inbuilt audio of a laptop. But if not, go and check that one out. Now remember, hit subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials, and that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.